if a 6 comma 3, b negative 3 comma 5, c 4 comma minus 2, and d x comma 3x are 4 points given, if triangle dbc is to triangle abc is equal to 1:2, that means area of triangle dbc is to area of triangle abc is given 1:2, then what's the value of x? Since we know that area of triangle formed by the points x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given by half mod of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So first triangle, let us find area of triangle DBC by using this formula. So D is a vertex x comma 3x and B is a point minus 3 comma 5 and C is the point 4 comma minus 2. Say this is x1 y1 x2 and here y2. Say this is x3 and y3. So we'll have, let us consider delta 1 is equal to half mod of x1, that is x times of y2 minus y3, that is 5 minus of minus 2, x2 times, that is minus 3 times of y3 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 3x plus x3 times, that is 4 times of y1 minus y2, say 3x minus 5, which is equal to 1/2 times mod of, so 5 minus of minus 2 is 7, so it's a 7x, and here it comes here minus of minus 3 to the 6, and here it is plus 9x plus 12x minus 20, so which is equal to 1/2 times of 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 7, that is 28 times x, and 6 minus 20, it's a minus 14. Say this is delta 1, and now area of triangle ABC, the points are given a6 comma 3, B is given minus 3 comma 5 and C point is 4 comma minus 2. Let us find the area triangle ABC. So let us consider delta 2, which is equal to 1/2 times of, say this is x1 y1 x2 and y2 x3 and y3, so half x1 times, so that is 6 times of y2 minus y3, that is 5 minus of minus 2 plus x2 times of, that is minus 3 times of y3 minus y1 minus 2 minus 3 plus x3 times, so that is 4 times of y1 minus y2 3 minus 5, so which is equal to 1/2 times 6 times of 5 minus of minus 2, that is 7, and plus of minus 3 times of minus 2 minus 3, it's a minus 5, and plus 4 times of 3 minus 5, it is a negative 2. So 1/2 times of 7 6 are 42 plus 5 3s are 15 and 4 2s are 8. So we have, so 42 plus 15, it's a 57, 57 minus 8 will give 49. So 1/2 times 49, so this is 49/2. Now since the ratio is given 1:2, so we can write area of triangle DBC by area of triangle ABC, which is equal to half mod of, so here area of triangle DBC is 28x minus 14 upon 2, so we can write 28x minus 14 mod upon, so 1/2 times of 49, which is equal to 1/2, so we can cancel this 1/2 and we can write 2 times of 28x minus 14 is equal to 49, So 28 times 2 is 56. X minus 28 is equal to 49. Or we can write 56 times of x is equal to 49 plus 28, it's a 60, 77. So we can write x is equal to 77 upon 56. That is 7 8 times and 7 11 times. So x is equal to 11 by 8. So we can go with an option A, that's 11 upon 8. Okay.